To trade Forex on Thinkorswim, start by opening a Thinkorswim account and downloading the platform. Once you have the platform, log into your account and navigate to the Trade tab. In the Trade tab, select Forex from the drop-down menu and choose the currency pair you want to trade. You can browse through the available currency pairs by clicking on the Forex tab and then selecting the pair you are interested in. The platform will then display the current bid and ask prices, as well as other relevant information such as the daily high and low. To place a trade, click on the buy or sell button, depending on whether you think the currency will appreciate or depreciate in value. Enter the number of units you want to trade and set your stop loss and take profit levels. The stop loss is the price at which the platform will automatically close your trade if it starts to lose money, while the take profit is the price at which the platform will close your trade if it reaches your desired level of profit. It is also important to understand the concept of leverage, which allows you to trade with more money than you have in your account. However, be aware that high leverage can also increase your potential losses. Another important concept to understand is the spread, which is the difference between the bid and ask prices. The spread is essentially the cost of trading, and it can eat into your profits if you are not careful. To manage your risk, it is a good idea to set a stop loss and take profit for each trade, and to not risk more than a certain percentage of your account balance on any given trade. It is also important to stay up to date with market news and analysis, and to adjust your trading strategy accordingly. In addition to the Trade tab, Thinkorswim also offers a range of tools and features to help you analyze the markets and make informed trading decisions. These include charts and technical indicators, as well as news feeds and economic calendars. By following these steps and using the tools and features available on Thinkorswim, you can trade Forex with confidence and potentially profit from the largest and most liquid market in the world. Remember to always manage your risk and stay informed, and to never risk more than you can afford to lose.